Welcome to MarineMax. This is Perry, Kent Island store. Today we have a 2018 Sea Ray 21 SPX with a 150 horsepower Mercury on the back. Very popular boat from Sea Ray. This customer, one owner boat, bought it in 2018 from us. Currently upgraded to a little bit larger Sea Ray. 750 hours on this engine. However, it's in great condition. White and gray interior layout. Has the port lounger, so that goes back and forth depending on if you're running or if you're kind of sitting at anchor. Very good, nice social cockpit. Electronic start-stop, fusion or Rockford Fosgate. Stereo. You have your analog gauges here. Tilt steering wheel. Captain's chair with bolster. And then a spot underneath here for a cooler. What I love about the 21 SPX, the SPX line, is this incredible amount of storage back here. So this is just your big trunk. Fit everything for the day. And then this pops up for kind of an aft lounger. Very useful. Water sports tower with bimini on top. So you've got a water sports connection on that tower, as well as a ski pole right here. Cup holders abound, very large floor storage, and then ample amount of seating up here in the bow for a 21-foot boat. If you'd like to check this boat out in person, it's here in Graysonville, Maryland. My name is Perry. Give us a call, 410-732-1260. Thank you.